Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, another vegan food review today. This time I'm looking at, what is this? From this brand, Linda McCartney's brand. I previously did their pies. So I found these ones, vegetarian sausages. Says suitable for vegans on the front, so looks alright. Mostly made of soy with some other sort of stuff in it. Just the usual, really. I don't really know what to say about that. Protein seems okay. Yeah, I guess so. Is what it is. Let's just check it out. So I've cooked them up. 7 in a pack. They smell very strongly of chicken. Like, very strongly of chicken, for some reason. I really don't know why that would be. Seasoning, I guess they've done something. Iron oxide, I don't know. I guess we'll just have to taste it and find out. I cooked these up in a pan. Really good texture. You can see that. It's good texture. It is like meat. It's white coloured. Even though it smells like chicken, it actually tastes like pork for some reason. Yeah, I would say these pretty much taste like pork sausages, but they smell like chicken ones. That's kind of strange, I suppose. But, you know, the good part about these, as opposed to things like the Beyond Burger, for example, is though these taste very much like meat, they're still under the level that it's not over the top. It's not way too meaty. This is like the maximum I like when it comes to meats and flavour. It's just a touch of meat flavour, but not too much. But the texture's definitely there. It's actually pretty good. Not bad at all. Yeah, I'd say it's worth picking up. Any information about it? Yeah, I don't know. That's about it. Definitely worth picking up. They're definitely a lot nicer than a lot of other meat products I've tried, so that's actually quite good. So yeah, check it out. Alright, thanks for watching. That's about all for this video. So I'll see you next time with something else.